These all are brand new flats available for rent and sale. This is your kitchen, your living room, attached balcony. We are inside the community. This is tower number E, which is in phase 1. We have G plus 28 floors. These are already been handover. And phase 3 construction is still going on. That is the phase 2, which is almost ready. Possession is expected by December 2026 this year. The average rental for 2 BHK is around 25,000 and selling price is around 80 lakhs plus. We have clubhouse over here. Amenities between the towers have been already handovered and that is operational. You can see basketball court. We have 3 levels of basement parking in this community and G plus 28 floor structure. These are compact 2 BHK and 3 BHK. We have options for studio as well. This is tower number F. These all are brand new flats available for rent and sale. That is the clubhouse, which is almost completed but operational, not yet operational, it will be operational in another 2 to 3 months. That is Brigade Eldorado, MJR. This is children's staying area. This is tower number G. F. E, F and G is in phase 1, which is already been handover. The 10th floor Godrej Ananda, you have 3 lifts over here and the unit available for rent is on the corner. This is the east facing flat. This is the east facing main door, 2 BHK with 2 attached washroom. You have your small foyer area over here. This is a brand new flat, semi furnished. You got one balcony attached to your living room. The interior is brand new, so you will be the first one to stay. Your open modular kitchen. As you can see, you have a lot of storage. This is perfect for someone who is working near airport or Kiadb Aerospace park. The separate utility area to keep your washing machine and different things. Your TV cabinet with small dedicated puja unit, and you can see the ventilation without turning any light. This is a 11 AM. This is a corner unit on 10th floor. This is on phase 1 Godrej Ananda, Kiadb Aerospace park, Bangalore Airport Road. That is the Bangalore Airport Road. This is the phase 2 still yet to be handover. This is on the phase 1. You can see the size of balcony over here. All the flats 2 BHK are similar in size. Your 2 bedrooms are on the different side with attached washrooms. So this is your spacious living room. While we go inside, this is your first bedroom. You have a lot of storage loft over here. A big size window which have an open view along with a dedicated wardrobe with lofts, mirror, and this is your attached washroom. As you can see, you have your separate shower area, and 2 attached washroom is very difficult to find, so this will be suitable for 2 best friends who wants to live together and want their personal washrooms. The selling price for these similar flats is around 85 lakhs. If you want to sell your flat at Godrej Ananda, you can contact us. We'll be happy to assist you. This is your another washroom. Wardrobe with lofts, dressing units, a lot of storage. The rental for this flat is 25,000 negotiable. We have all the amenities in this society. I'll show you that in this video.